All right, sorry, I was trying to decide on the sides. All right, so greetings, YouTube. A beautiful mind here. This question comes from Calculus. It says that the graph of a function is given. Enter your answers as commas, separated lists. So the first question, it says at what number is a does the limit as x approaches a of f of x not exist? It looks like when I look at it, I see 2, right? So like we said before, for the limit to exist, the limit from the left has to equal the limit from the right. So for instance, on either side of 1, it's not approaching a number, right? They're both going to infinity. So at what numbers does the limit not exist? We would say when x is 1. Now, if we look at when x is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, that the 4 is on the dash line. I think you meant to put 5, right? Because when x is 5, on the left, the y value is approaching one number, but then on the right, the y value is approaching a different number. So maybe for part A, I would change it to 1 and 5, or 1 comma 5. And then part B says, at what numbers A is f not continuous? So continuous is what we mentioned in one of our previous videos, where the stipulations for a function to be continuous, the limit from the left equals the limit from the right equals the value at the point. All right. So that means that if it's continuous, there's no holes or gaps or breaks. So we have a hole. So where is it? Where is this not continuous? We would say 1. It looks like 1, 2, 3. When x is 1, when x is 3, when x is 5. All right. So each tick mark looks like it's a 1. So for part B, I would do when x is 1, when x is 3, when x is 5. And then for part C, it says, at what numbers A does the limit as x approaches a of f of x exist, but f is not continuous? So the limit exists, but it's not continuous. And that's only when x is 3, right? Because the limit exists means the limit from the left equals the limit from the right, but it's not equal to that value. So basically that shows up as a hole or a gap. That's when x is 3. The limit from the left equals the limit from the right, but it's not necessarily equal to the value at the point. So then for part C, I would change that to 3 when a is 3. All right. And so with that, we're going to end the session here. And from one beautiful mind to another, enjoy the rest of your day. Take care. Peace.